Iloilo City is called the Queen City of the South, is a vibrant and historically rich city in the Philippines, known for its unique blend of old-world charm and modern development. It stands out as a destination that offers a captivating mix of cultural heritage, culinary delights, and a comfortable lifestyle. Iloilo City's history dates back to 1566, when it was established as one of the earliest Spanish colonial centers in the Philippines. Its strategic location on the southeastern coast of Panay Island made it a crucial port city, connecting the Visayas region to the rest of the country and the world. Throughout its history, Iloilo City played a significant role in the Spanish Empire's presence in Asia and the Pacific, serving as its last capital in the region. It was also the capital of the short-lived federal state of the Visayas. The city's rich past is evident in its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture, including grand mansions, plazas, and churches. The Haro Cathedral, a national shrine dedicated to Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria, Our Lady of the Candles, is a prominent landmark and a testament to the city's strong Catholic faith. Iloilo City is a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy and renowned for its exceptional gastronomic offerings. Its history as a port city has influenced its cuisine, blending local flavors with Spanish and Chinese influences. Pancit Molo and La Paz Batchoy, two iconic dishes, originated in Iloilo City and are popular among locals and tourists alike. The city also boasts a thriving food scene with numerous restaurants, cafes, and street food vendors offering a wide variety of culinary experiences. Iloilo City is known for its as the Asia's City of Love and the heart of the Philippines, due to its central location in the archipelago and the reputation of the Ilonggo people for their sweetness and gentleness. This warmth and hospitality are evident in the city's vibrant festivals, such as Dinagyang Festival, a celebration of the arrival of Malay settlers in the country, and a tribute to Santo Niño, the child of Jesus.
Once again, song is the one of our Christmas songs.
Sarap to guys.